Welcome to this quick tutorial on using AI for text classification. Let's walk through this simple yet powerful scenario. First, we start with the Trigger on Run Once node. This kicks off our process when you hit the Run button. Next, we have the Set Variables node. Here's where we input the text we want to analyze. Maybe it's a customer review, a social media post, or any piece of text you're curious about. The star of our show is the Text Classification node. This uses an AI model to categorize our text as either positive or negative. It's like having a smart assistant that can instantly gauge the mood of any text. Let's see it in action. Imagine we input this review. The service was terrible and the food was cold. Our AI would likely classify this as negative. Or how about, I absolutely loved the movie. It was thrilling from start to finish. This would probably come back as positive. This setup has countless real-world applications. Businesses can use it to automatically sort customer feedback. Marketing teams can gauge public reaction to a campaign. Even individuals could use it to analyze the tone of their emails before sending. The beauty of this scenario is its simplicity and speed. In just seconds, you get valuable insights that could take hours to do manually. Remember, while AI is impressive, it's not perfect. Always use these tools to support, not replace, human judgment. That's our text classification scenario in a nutshell. Quick, efficient, and incredibly useful. Give it a try and see how it can work for you.